Welcome back. Today we're going to go over step number 6 of the 28-point air conditioning tune-up and system rejuvenation. Step number 6 is a complete refrigerant cycle pressure check. So what's going to happen is the technician's going to come out, they're going to hook up digital refrigerant gauges to the air conditioner while the unit's running, and they're going to be checking your subcool and your superheat. This allows us to ensure that the system's not going to ice up, it's not low on refrigerant, it's not overcharged on refrigerant. We're just looking to make sure that we can get this thing at peak efficiency. That way everything works so much better. The compressor gets quieter, the house can get cooler more quickly, just makes everything run well. When you get an air conditioner that's overcharged or undercharged, you'll see that you're running it longer run cycles, or even overcharged give you longer run cycles. And in some cases we see that it's so badly undercharged that it starts icing up. We don't want to turn this thing outside into a giant snowman, so we want to make sure your refrigerant is where it's supposed to be. This is why it's important to have your tune-up done and then follow it up by annual maintenance every year after that, as recommended by the manufacturer and your local utility company. See you on the next video.